flipperzero laser module made from this popular red laser pointer that I feel at some point everyone had. This one has UV and white LEDs. Well, let me disassemble it. Fairly easy, 2 buttons and couple of components. Top one is for laser and bottom one for LEDs. We have ground on spring and positive on middle legs of the LEDs. I'll delete and bridge laser button and all will be installed right here. We will need 5 volts and ground from flipper GPIO. Let me desolder all I'll be not using. Terminal, LED and buttons. Here I will bridge laser button terminal to ground. That will make laser work when power applied. Piece of wire will do the job. To connect laser, I'll use 2 90 degrees terminals. We'll space them correctly and solder on the laser module, like so. Plastic holder will guide terminals nicely. Let's test it out. Module plugged in. And let's go GPIO and turn 5 volts on GPIO on. Boom! Laser is working. It looks so cool. Minimalistic laser module that you don't even need wiring diagram. Make sure to subscribe. Let's turn off the laser and disconnect it. It's time for 5D printing, aka hot gluing. I'll just make it a bit stronger and one solid unit. And done. Perfection. Just look at it. Let's make it work again. Boo 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 boo. Oh, sorry, I just got distracted. GPIO and 5 volts on. Works. It's better with laser beam. I found that you can turn the same 5 volts on GPIO, even in apps, GPIO and in GPIO. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time.